Step into the 2007 Dodge Ram 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck is still under 75,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Dodge are offered, including delay-off headlights, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.